Hey loves, today's video is going to be all about my favorite Maybelline lipsticks. I have got 4 of them over here, which I know is not a whole lot, but these lipsticks are so amazing. It's a matte formula, but it's a creamy matte formula. It's very comfortable on the lips, and I have very dry lips. So for me to love a matte lipstick is something, because I've tried so many different ones and they all used to really dry out my lips, and you know, I would feel like my lips are on fire, like literally. But these really don't do that. They're creamy, they look nice, they don't have any sheen to it at all, which I really love. And they stay on pretty well too. They don't even underneath the mask, so that's amazing. It is the Superstay Ink Crayon, and it's literally like a crayon, and then you have a sharpener in the back just like that, so you can use it to sharpen your crayon, and then you can use it as a lip liner too if you want to. And that's how they are on the inside, so you just kind of twist it and then it goes up just like that, and then like I said, you can just sharpen it if you need to. I have been using this for some time now, but I didn't sharpen it. As you can see, they kind of look like blend on the top. But for today's video, what I think I'm going to do is I will swatch on each one of them on my list just to show you what it looks like. These are the ones that I have been recently using. And using a lot basically. So I'll try on each one of them. I'll put a name of each lipstick on the screen as well in case you want to look it up or buy it. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get on to lip swatches right away. If you enjoyed, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comment box down below if you like seeing this kind of videos. It was my very first time doing lip swatches on camera. It's very hard to do any kind of makeup videos on camera, you guys know that. But if you enjoyed and if you want me to do more of this kind of videos, then give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment box down below. I would very much appreciate it. And also subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming fun videos. I'll see you guys now in my next video very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye.